Welcome! In this beginner-friendly tutorial, I'll show you how to use Nozbe step-by-step in 2026. We'll cover task management, project organization, team collaboration, and productivity workflows so you can manage your work more efficiently. In today's fast-paced digital world, keeping track of tasks, projects, and team collaboration can feel overwhelming. That is where Nozbe shines. In 2025, Nozbe remains one of the most intuitive and effective productivity tools for individuals and teams alike. Whether you are a freelancer managing multiple clients, a business owner running a team, or just someone who wants to get more organized, Nozbe has you covered. This tutorial will walk you through everything you need to know as a beginner. How to set up your workspace, manage projects, assign tasks, collaborate with others, and use Nozbe's features to maximize your productivity. What is Nozbe? Nozbe is a task and project management tool built around the Getting Things Done or GTD methodology. It's designed for speed, clarity, and collaboration. Think of it as your digital command center, helping you capture tasks, structure projects, and move ideas to execution quickly. Why choose Nozbe in 2025? Clean, distraction-free interface, powerful project and task organization, cross-platform, web, iOS, Android, macOS, Windows, built-in collaboration and task delegation, syncs in real time across all devices, free tier available with core features. Getting started with Nozbe. Step 1. Sign up and create your workspace. 1. Visit nozbe.com. 2. Sign up using an email, Apple ID, or Google account. 3. Choose a workspace name or Teams. Use your company or department name. 4. Decide if it is for personal use or team collaboration. You will land on the Nozbe dashboard, your command center for all your productivity. Understanding Nozbe's core structure. Before diving into features, it is important to understand Nozbe's building blocks. Feature, task, purpose, individual action items within the project. Feature, sections, purpose, used to divide large projects into categories. Feature, labels, purpose, tag tasks for filtering or searching. Feature, inbox, purpose, where new tasks go before being organized. Feature, priority, purpose, a dedicated view for important or urgent tasks. Feature, calendar, purpose, tasks with due dates appear here. Step 2. Create your first project. To stay organized, every actionable task should live inside the project. To create a project, 1. Click plus Add Project in the sidebar. 2. Give it a name, example, Launch Campaign. 3. Add a description or notes if needed. 4. Choose a color or icon for visual organization. 5. Optional. Make it shared for team use or private for personal tracking. You can now add sections inside your project to organize phases like research, planning, execution, review. Step 3. Add an organized task. Inside your project, 1. Click Last Add a Task. 2. Type the task name, example, write blog post draft. 3. Press Enter or click to add more detail. Due date, labels, delegation, assigned to someone. Comments, checklist items, attachments. Tasks can be moved easily using drag and drop and organized into selections. Pro tips: use natural language like tomorrow or Friday 3 p.m. when adding dates. Press number to quickly assign a label while typing the task. Step 4. Use the inbox for capturing tasks. The inbox is your mental dumping ground, a place to quickly jot down ideas, reminders, or assigning them to projects. 1. Hit plus in the inbox. 2. Add the task name and hit enter. 3. Later, drag it to a project or open it to add details. This is especially helpful on mobile when capturing thoughts on the go. Step 5. Prioritize what matters most. Click on the priority view in the sidebar. From any task, you can click the star icon to mark it as important. It now shows up in the priority view. You can reorder this based on urgency. This is your daily action list, the place you will work from most often. Step 6. Manage deadlines in the calendar. Tasks with due dates will appear in the calendar view. View tasks by day, week, or month. Drag and drop to reschedule. Pick on a date to filter tasks due that day. You can sync Nozbe with Google Calendar or Outlook to view all appointments and deadlines in one place. Step 7. Collaborate with your team. Nozbe is powerful for solo use, but it really shines with teams. To collaborate, 1. Invite members to your workspace. 2. Share projects with individuals or the whole team. 3. Assign specific tasks to teammates. 4. Use task comments to discuss without switching ads. Every update syncs instantly. You can also tag teammates using @mentions in comments. Example use cases. Marketing team launching a campaign. Development sprint planning. Content calendar collaboration. Onboarding new employees. Step 8. Use labels for smart organization. Labels help categorize tasks across all projects. Think of them like tags. Create labels such as @email, @urgent, @client A, @waiting, @call. You can then filter by label to create powerful views. Example, show all @email task due this week. Step 9. Automate recurring tasks. Have tasks that repeat daily, weekly, or monthly. When editing a task, 1. Click the due date. 2. Choose repeat. 3. Set frequency, daily, weekly, custom intervals. Wait for weekly team syncs, monthly reports, daily journaling, client check-ins. Step 10. Use project templates. Nozbe lets you save time by turning any project into a reusable template. 1. Append a completed project, like product launch. 2. Click the 3 dots, save as template. 3. Next time, choose Start from template when creating a new project. This is ideal for repeating workflows, onboarding processes, event planning, client setup. Use Nozbe on older devices. One of Nozbe's biggest strengths is its cross-platform availability. Your data syncs instantly across web browser, desktop, Mac and Windows, iOS, iPhone, iPad, Android, phones, tablets. You can capture tasks while commuting, review your priority list before bed, add comments while in meetings. Productivity follows you wherever you go. Data security and backup. In 2025, Nozbe emphasizes security and privacy, encrypted connections and data storage, servers based in the EU for GDPR compliance, daily backups, optional two-factor authentication. You are in control of your data always. Nozbe pricing 2025 overview. Plan free. Best for individuals. Key features: 3 projects, basic features, limited collaboration. Plan premium. Best for solo power users or teams. Key features: unlimited projects, priority support, templates. Plan business. Best for larger teams. Key features: admin controls, advanced permissions, insights. The free plan is generous enough to get started. Upgrade as your needs grow. Thank you very much for watching this complete step-by-step guide. I hope this video helped you understand how to use Nozbe to manage tasks and projects more effectively. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more practical productivity, project management, and software tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.